everyone, I'm Shrikala and with me is Vandana Sudesh. And here with us is our youngest author. I can't say youngest author because youngest author we took an interview last week, who is Inaya. And here I can say the youngest author who has reached Amazon rank 1 for her debut poetry book. I can introduce to you her in that way, and I don't think that Dipanpreet needs a great introduction because she is very well known among us as a scientist, as a poet, and her poem speaks volumes. Being in an age of 16, her vocabulary, the level of vocabulary what she uses is incomparable. So here we welcome you, Dipan, my what do you say, a daughter-like figure over here. So happy.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Masi. Thank you so much, Vandana.
So
So
Vandana, you
welcome,
just introduce.
Deepan. Yes. So welcome, Deepan, once again. So now I'm going to give her a short bio of Deepanpreet. Deepanpreet Kaur is a versatile budding poet from Ludhiana city at Punjab. Now currently she is living in New Delhi. She started writing poetry in the year 2021 and she wanted to express herself and spread the message of positivity to a long crowd through her poems, as the coronavirus was the one factor that was taking a lot of lives in one way or the other. Her two poems, that is You Must Have and Free Flight, was being published on Bharat Vision, which is an e-magazine by Motivational Strips. And she is also the 7th Sinoist in the world. The inventor of Sino poetry is Kemlad Sir, who is the nationality is Nepal. And now Dipanpreet has been honored by Gujarat Sahitya Academy for the Independence Day honor among 440 poets from all over the globe. Now, the main thing is she has published her first book of poetry, which is named as My Mind Shadow, at the age of 16. I have to specifically say that. And also, apart from being a budding poet, she also paints very well. And she is an athlete and swimmer too. This is such an surprising bio, because having she's such a multi-talented one who have been with us today right now. So Srikala.
Yes, and I hope that she is the youngest one hitting the most of the newspapers of her place, Delhi and Haryana. So you must feel proud, Dipan, and your family. The debut poetry book release was with her grandparents, and that was a great event which even came in the newspaper. So she is a star at the age of 16, where we were there bound to our school. And what do you say? Yes, we were writing poems at that age too, but there was no one to encourage us or no one to bring our talent to such a level that we could write a poetry book or we could be there in the top of the newspaper headlines. So nowadays, today's this scenario is people are getting much more, like what do you say, socialized, and you're getting known by other people. So that's a wonderful platform what we share over here. So really proud.
And one more thing is that I was so fascinated when I saw that the whole family, from the very, old age to young ones, everybody is celebrating her victory. I think I never got such a chance. I don't know. I don't know about you, Srikala.
Even
You too,
yes,
right? You too,
yes,
right?
the
Because
reason,
there is
yes, we have got so many chances to participate in events, but exposure, a wide exposure was not
yes,
given to us in that period. Maybe that what you say, the generation what we were in and what
yes,
these
yes,
people are in is
Hmm.
completely different.
yes,
And
yes,
one more thing what I would love to say is her mother, such a lovely soul. I must mention her over here because each and every success behind that of Dipanpreet, she is Gurpreet Kaur, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Yes. So Gurpreet ji is there behind her each and every step, even when she is at the age of 16, just holding her palms in such a way that, yes, my daughter has to reach that level. So appreciate her very much for bringing up this talent in front of us. Yes. So
Thank you.
Deepan, this is not a questionnaire session because we are well known to each other.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
And Vandana has already told about some of your passions. Even then, can you just give a gist about your passion to the readers? What are the
About?
other passions apart from poetry?
I am very, as Didi said in my bio, that I am a good swimmer, and I have won few medals in zonal competitions for athletics and swimming both. And I am good at painting. I do very
That
I
I
have
know.
won certificates in that also. And yes, these all traits are just because of my family, because my whole family is like very artistic types. My dadu, my grandfather, he like also writes a little bit poems and all. So from there that trait came. And my
Wow.
cousins do paintings, so from that trait come. So I'm a mixture of everyone.
That is
So
great.
Deepan, it's that what you
It's a
learn about
capsule. It's a
chromosomes.
capsule.
Chromosomes, what you
Mm.
learn. So
Mhm.
it's what do you say, wonder of all such things. But we should thank for them the grandparents who has given the whole traits to our Deepanpreet. Yes, Deepan, and yes,
Yes.
we were first when you came to motivational strips. The reason why I used to notice you is the way how you write the poems. You draw and draw something colorful, and then you write the poems over there. Because maybe because of our personal busy schedule or working women, we are so maybe not getting that much of time. But that interest to pen down something in a piece of paper and to take a photo so clearly about that, that is something made you different over there, Deepan.
Thank you so much. Actually, my first cousin, she do photography also. So from that, I take all the types of angles, that how to click a photo and all. So I first pen it down on a piece of paper with some little bit of drawings, and then just try to decorate a background and keep that piece of paper there and try to click it with different angles. So that so it like gives a kind of captivation. It give like feeling that other readers will read it for sure.
Yes, I was loving it. We have discussed that with Vandana too, right? Yes,
Yeah,
Vandana.
yeah.
Now,
Yes. Yeah. So I would love to ask you one question. That what can you tell us about your journey into this poetry field?
Into this poetry field, I have written only 2 to 3 poems when I was in fourth to sixth. So I have written only 2 to 3 poems, and that were in Hindi. So because first poem was when my grandmother died. So after wrote poem on her, dedicated to her. That all my memories that were I remembered at that time, I wrote a poem on her. So I wrote it and I showed it to my mother. My mother sent it directly to my grandfather. So
Wow.
whosoever read that poem, they were very emotional, because that feeling that was totally
Yeah.
expressed like on all the memories that I had at that time. So then on my father, I wrote on his birthday. It was also in Hindi, and on my sister's so that was like just normally in free verse kind of poems, just like sentences will break into these small sentences. That
Okay.
was kind of poems. So then recently in 2021 in April, I just started like continuously, and I don't know how I shifted in the English poetry from the Hindi ones. It was just like a, then Corona was going on, so I thought like just utilize my time, because and even the 10th results were delayed. Everything was delayed. So I
Okay.
thought just utilize my time in something very good and very motivating types. So I started writing, and I just filled all most of the, like whatever I thought, I wrote it in the phone. Then I tried to present it on the paper and do everything. So through that, I also felt very light that yes, something is expressed now. I don't have to, I have any burden on my shoulder or like in my heart or whatever. I felt light. And when I never showed my poems to my mother, after that, my grandmother poem and father's poem,
Okay.
after that, I never showed. One day I just posted my poem on Instagram, and one of my relative read it. So they took a screenshot of it and then sent it to my mother, and they said, your daughter writes so poem. She's very good in that. You should encourage her. Then my mother got to know she writes poems. How is it? From there,
Okay.
so from there, my mother then Jaipreet ma'am, she is a friend of my mother. So
Okay.
she asked her ki how to encourage her and what are the platforms to which can encourage her and promote her and make her do well in this field. So from there, my mother put me into the global platform, motivational tips, and from there I then read more poems. Most of the poets were so brilliant. I even can't imagine how they write so many poems, and 3 poems in one day. How? So I read their poems that inspired me a lot, and I got idea how to write them in more rhyming way, and that is very lyrical and melodious types.
Mm.
So from there, then I improve myself. Whenever I write, I try to find like synonyms. You both know how do I
Ah, yes.
We both know very
so
well. Please, no. It's see,
Nice.
as a teacher, I can really correlate you and me with that, because she has never come to me or you as a young poet approaching a poet or anything like that. It was just like a teacher-student relationship over there. Like, ma'am, whatever have I written, whether it is right or wrong, students will have that doubt in their mind always. So it is so light as, yeah, a teacher and student, and then Masi and daughter. So these kind of relationship, and no one is perfect, right? So encouraging each other in whatever way we can, that is what
yes,
for me is literature. Because I'm not a literature like even you, not even Vandana. We don't have any background related to literature, but we are here. So it's a kind of, what do you say, a good ambience what we are being in,
hmm,
and good feeling. Many things what we don't know, we are getting to know or learn all that new experience in life. That's it. So we are sharing it. It's a sharing, caring relationship.
And she have a long way to go because she have been introduced to the global platform at this age, 16. So
Yes,
that is great, no?
I'm just like I'm thinking of purchasing a walking stick from Amazon. So you have just entered at the age where you are like running, kicking, and moving on. So this is the right age where you can improve yourself and reach to that level where we
yes,
can't ever imagine.
Yeah, she will definitely reach such a level, Srikala, because she's a
Yes,
talented one. Sure.
No doubt, no doubt. So, can you tell me about your future plans? You will have a lot of plans like I should do this, I should do that. So, what are your future plans?
Till 10th, I wanted to take arts because like I'm not a science person. Science though is never in my mind, never ever.
Srikala, she will offend it. she's
Math
a
is a
math
wonderful
teacher.
subject, my dear. And don't tell like that.
Mm.
I'm like a 75 plus percentager, like average student that. So science, I like for exams till 10th, so it was compulsory for science. So just like I just did science rectification, everything I did, and gave the science paper and scored 60 something. But
Nice.
I knew it. I will never take science, and I was thinking of arts first, but then again rectification, and that is very because my grasping power is very very low. So and my family background like it's commerce, so I said it's maths is a bit of game something and you don't get bored in that, and English was also my favorite subject, so English and maths both in a commerce, so I took that. So and
It's never
the
offending
second
math.
reason was
Never offending math, you see. Yes, Dipan.
so in commerce and the second reason that I took commerce because it was like if ever because I want to become a stylist in future. So for if I open my own studio or something for stylists or fashion designing course, so it will help me to reach the customer's point of view and all that stuff. So I should have that little a bit knowledge about the business and all, because I don't want to do job, to be honest. Jobs
You
is
want
not
to be an
my
entrepreneur. You want to be an
huh,
entrepreneur?
100.
Yes.
Because
So,
job
yeah.
person I have seen in my at my home working from morning till night till midnight. I can't afford that much of load.
You mean office work? You don't like office works?
I don't, because I have no father and mother. Both are all like worker job employees. Can't afford that. I
Good
like
thought.
so I want.
Being so truthful.
She is being so
Yes.
truthful.
If people will say, yes, I want to become a doctor, I want to become like that, this, all that things. Yes, there is only one single person those who have come to our interview and said that, yes, I don't want to do any work.
Seriously.
Great of you, Dipan. It's going on so interesting.
I don't know
isn't it,
what to
Vandana?
say. I don't know what to say back.
Mhm.
So even if I like then I'll do stylist course, like it can be done on mobile phones, like all the Instagrammers are also doing that. They will like, so through that I'll do some stylist course, first stylist course, then I'll enter into the literary course. So I am planning to do both the courses.
Mhm.
All the
Yes.
best, Dipan.
Yes,
All
I
the best.
may need your help, Dipan. I'm the one lagging behind in all that thing, so I may need your help.
What?
Style,
No.
do some styles.
What? Who is
Something.
doing here now?
Let's do. However, Dipan is there, let's do.
Yeah, we'll take help from her.
You can. I can give you a small task that you can like write a poem which is related to yes, a person, beautifying a person. How the angles, different angles. Do that.
Being
Small
like
thing.
how
Yes.
a perfect,
Now
a
Vandana
perfect
is
figure.
there or Srikala is there. How to change that person into a beautified one?
okay. So
No, it's
if
a
one
task for you. Next poem.
okay.
Okay.
I
Vandana,
write
you
the
can
poem
go
on
on.
both of you, like related to stylist way. Then I'll make you read, like give you to both of you, and you will
After
read
that only
them.
you will publish. After that only you will publish. Yes. Yes, Vandana, you can move on to the next question.
Okay. Now, so I want to ask you about motivational tips. As a member, how do you feel? How do you feel once you are in this?
I like, as per me, I feel that everyone treats me like this, very their own family member, and like the elders, like Didi used to teach, treat me as your younger sister, and Shrikala ma'am is like my Masi. All the others, like my own family member. I'm living there. Eating. So I'm like, all the things are there. I'm learning from them. They are as my mentors also. So it's like my second home. Even my parents say that it's a place, it's a global platform where you like post your poems so that others can read. But you to have like made your own relations there.
Yeah,
It's kind,
that's
so it's
the
kind of my
reason. That's the
second
reason.
home.
Vandana and me, people
Hmm.
has misunderstood that. They have misunderstood that we are like co-sisters. Like on, is she your own sister? Many people have asked this
Yeah,
question.
many have asked me too. I mean,
Hmm.
the person whom I don't know, once they have sent me the friend request and asking me, is she your sister? So I'll
Hmm.
say, yes, she's my sister.
Why we have to say no? Because we are.
No, yeah.
We carry a
Yes.
Yeah.
relationship in such a way so we can say yes. And the other thing what you said, when I'm going to school nowadays, we have full day working hours. And it's like when I get mobile in my hand, just open Facebook and just go to motivational tips and see what's happening. We can't stop ourselves from like peeping into once or twice or thrice whenever we get time. So it's like an addiction, isn't it?
It's late.
Yes.
As I mentioned one of my poem in when you, Lizby Minda ma'am and Ipsita ma'am were, took our interview. So I mentioned one of my poem that addicted rhymesters.
Yes,
So
I remember.
Addicted
it's
rhymes.
true. It's true that we all poets are very addicted to the poems, and we all like never stop scrolling whose poem is the like very motivation,
Interesting. Yeah.
inspiration we are getting from there now. That's positive vibes we get.
And this Halloween sign-up contest, even each and every second when I just go announcement, you check what are who are the poets who has written over there and what they've written and how scary that sign-offs are. We're just like what you say, interested to see all those things. So making our lives a bit different from a passive one to an active one. So we must thank motivational strips for that change in our life. Yes. So now I would love to ask you one more thing, which our uh, viewers also will be interested to hear from you about your next books or your next projects.
Next project, though, recently I'm working to capture a poetry world where how poets feel, how when they write their poems, so how their emotions are expressed, how poetry world is so free world that all the poets are so free they can express anything they want to, and they touch the readers' hearts with lyrical in a lyrical way that no one gets bored of that also. So I'm trying to capture all that literature and poetry world in my next one.
Wow.
That's a
Already
wonderful
she's
and a
ready.
unique theme. Yes, she has I think more than half or near to half or more than half she has completed already as per the last discussion held with me. So happy. Maybe the new year will be coming to your doorstep with Deepan's books. Yes, I have received
And
her copy of her book and even Vandana also. I'm just finding some time to write a review about that because when I give a review about my daughter's book, it should be a perfect
Yes. That
one,
is the thing.
100% is perfect. So waiting for a day for that.
Thank you
Yes,
so
Deepak.
much. Thank-
What are the other things you would love to tell to our audience? Because you are small, you cannot give any advice kind of thing. I'm not asking you because you're not that age that you can give any advice.
Yeah,
Whatever your feelings, you can share with them.
it's just that whatever kind of situation it is, like I try to find positive in that. What kind of positive thing can be happen with that situation? So that I try to express in my poetry. Like even though whatever situation is, yes, but a positive thing is that I have my family and I have my God, I have God with me. So yes, everything can be turned into a very happy ending way. So I try to like capture that positive part into my all the poems. And what I do every night, we will go to sleep. Before going to sleep, half an hour discussion with my little brother. What kind of poem now I can write? Tell me now new themes. I have to write another poem. Just tell me new themes. So I drag him also in this thing,
That's good.
and he's
That
like,
is good.
yes,
It's a what is a wonderful idea to drag other people. And sometimes what you say, it happened to me like some meetings, serious meetings will be going on, and maybe one or two words that will strike our mind. It may be some kind of sarcasm.
Mm.
Okay, so that will strike our mind, and we start creating our own poems from that. Isn't it, Vandana? When people
Yes,
speak
yes.
something, we will get some clue, a word or a sentence, which
Definitely.
will definitely
Mm.
strike our mind, so that yes, we will
Yes,
say,
yes.
yes, this is the right topic
Yes,
to
yes.
start my poem. So even this happens with many of us, and I think Dipanpreet also is one amongst that. Yes,
Yes, even
Dip-
while watching movies, there's some kind of dialogue that will inspire me. Yes, I can relate this to this, and yes, something new can be created. So
Definitely.
from anywhere, na, we get that inspiration and we write a poem on that.
Yeah,
yes,
that is people doing like that. Even when we are sleeping. I don't know how many of you do that. When you're sleeping, you'll be just into sleep, and something struck your mind. You'll be like, I have to write it down now itself. On
Most
that
of the
spot.
time, it happens with me.
Yes. It's the starting stage, yeah. That is it.
Like, but like
yes,
whenever I go to sleep, something good like something good topic will come in my mind that
Yes.
will never come in morning times.
No, no,
At
no.
night, though, for sure, it surely
Yes.
will come, and I think I just have to write it now because in morning I'll forget.
Yes.
So
True.
I write it down at that time only.
this happens. That's the reason most of the time I roam around with my mobile. Or at school, what I will do is I'll just keep a small writing pad so that I can pen down, if not completely, that whatever things in our mind, we'll just pen it down, and further on we can, because school hours, it's a very hectic schedule, you cannot complete your poem over there, then afterwards. And yeah, most of the time at night when we feel like writing, even I don't bother about lunch or providing lunch for others, complete it and then move out of the room. This is what happens. And that is the reason people think poets are a bit crazy because of our this kind of nature. Writing something, you will be there in your own world, neglecting the other people around you. So
Yes.
yes, Deepan, anything else to say to our audience, or you want to express something about your book which has reached Amazon #1? You must speak about it, right?
Amazon #1, all credit goes to my mother.
She has worked
She was
very
like
hard.
very, very.
Yes.
Yes, you can express that.
Dipan, she's like, Dipan, just go now. Ask Shikala ma'am now what to do next, what to do this and that. she was the one like, do this right now. That's why you then like in that way only you'll get the best seller rank and everything. She was the one. Go. She just pushed me hard with
That's what I'm
everything.
telling, to guide you in a proper way. Yes, motivational steps is always there with you, and your mama. Congrats to her. Congrats to her on
congratulations to
your
her.
success. Than your papa,
Thank
we
you.
have seen your mama there in the forum. Yes, in the beginning, she has put her first poem into the group, and after that, we have told her to make Dipan's own account, and then Dipan entered into the Facebook. Now,
Yes.
what she does is not only in Dipan's poems, I can see Gurjit Kaur name in almost all the poems. Yes or not, Dipan? First, she used to comment only
Yes.
Dipan's poems, and now almost all the poems, her mama's name is there. And I was so surprised to see than daughter, mama is more interested in reading the poems.
I can
This
see
is
her
what
comments
literature.
more.
No, this is what literature is, that drags you in, pulls you in towards what you say, and especially in our forum, it's what you say, completely pure and clean. That kind of relationships are there, which drags me, Vandana, and you, and keeps us always over there. Maybe we are from different states, different places, different languages, whatever it may be. The only one dragging force or the pulling force is literature and the love towards literature. I hope you all will agree for that, right?
Yes.
Yes. And
We read
Uh,
three states, solid, liquid, and gas. So motivational strips and literature is kind of that. Like
mhm,
solid is like it's always so like
rigid.
that bond we all have that it never like breaks or something. Liquid,
Mhm,
we always like flow our thoughts into this,
mhm.
and enough of space
Volatile.
is there. And yes, and fly in the air. Our thoughts
Yes,
are
that's what I
always
call
like.
volatile. Yes, volatile, that kind of nature. Yes.
Hmm.
And before ending the session, I would just love to remind you all about the scariest part.
Hello,
What is that?
Halloween.
Any guess? Yes, Halloween. So 3 days more, you can not 3 days, it's 4 days, up to 31st. You can write your sign-off, and maybe most probably you have read all the rules for sign-offs, that it's a 3-line poetry, and the first line contains 7 syllables, the second line 8, and the third line 9 syllables. And if you have any doubts on that, our Lilian Wu ma'am, Melissa Begley ma'am, Barbara ma'am, all these people are there ready to help you 24/7. So let's make this Halloween kind of wonderful, as you all have supported me. First of all, let me thank you all for that. The 3rd anniversary of MS was so wonderful, and this Halloween also. We will make it scary, horrible, terrible, right? So thank you, one and all. Thank you, Vandana, and my dearest Dipan, for being with us on the show.
Thank you. Thank you so much for calling.
Thank you
Thank
all.
you, Dipan. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Masi.